Jai Shri Swaminarayan. I am Bhinde Pooja from SSGM School. Today we are going to learn a topic. The name is prime factorization method. Here you can see that prime factorization method in two parts, tree method and division method, right? So we are going to start a tree method. First of all, take one example with the number 20. What we have to do? Write the 20, split into two parts. Start with the smallest prime factor. It means 2. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. 2 तो अब कोई टेबल में नहीं आएगा, वहीं पर स्टॉप हो जाएगा. अब हम 10 पर जाएंगे. स्प्लिट इंटू टू पार्ट्स. 2 5 10. अब ये भी यहाँ पर स्टॉप हो गया और ये भी स्टॉप हो गया. इट मीन्स दैट प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ number 20 are this one 2, this one 2 and this one 5. But we have to write without comma. It means that we have to write with multiplication sign, because we have to do multiplication for tally. 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. Yes, we got the number 20. So the sum is correct, right? Okay, now come to the next method, division method. What is the design of division method? We have to make like this with scale and pencil, right? Okay, so write here the example 20. Now start the division with the smallest number 2, with the smallest prime number 2. 10 2s are 20. Again continue. 5 2s are 10. अगेन कंटिन्यू. अब 2 के टेबल में 5 तो नहीं आएगा, 3 के टेबल में भी नहीं आएगा, 4 के टेबल में भी नहीं आएगा, लेकिन 5 खुद के टेबल में तो आएगा ही आएगा. तो यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे 5 1s are 5. स्टॉप. इनफ नाउ. राइट हियर प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ नंबर 20 आर 2 2 5. Again, don't write with comma, write with sign of multiplication, right? Because we have to do tally it. 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. It means we are right. So this is the division method and tree method. Only the methods are different, but the answer will be same. Let us come to the new topic, highest common factor. In short, HCF. It means that we have to find factors of given number, right? So let us start with the first one, 30. In this method, in this topic, we have need two given numbers, right? Okay, 2 or more given numbers. Suppose we are taking 30. हमको क्या करना है? हमको फाइंड करना है कि 30 नंबर कौन कौन से टेबल्स में आएंगे. So let us start with the lowest factor 1. It means 1 30s are 30. Point number 2, 15 2s are 30, right? Number 3, 10 3s are 30. 4 के टेबल में आएगा? नहीं आएगा. 5 के टेबल में? Yes, 5 6s are 30. It's enough now. Now come to the 36, right? Start with the lowest factor 1. 1 36s are 36, right? Okay, now go on the second number. Yes, 18 2s are 36. Now number 3, 12 3s are 36. Go to the number 4. 4 9s are 36, right? Okay, now go to the 5. No, 5 table number 5 doesn't include number 36, right? Now go to the 6. 6 6s are 30. We have to write only one time 6. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to find कॉमन फैक्टर. वी हैव टू फाइंड कॉमन फैक्टर्स. इट मीन्स 1 इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है, राइट? 2 इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है. अगेन 3 5 नहीं है, 4 नहीं है, 6 है, 10 इसमें नहीं है, 9 इसमें नहीं है, 15 12 30 18 and 36. It's enough now, right? So we have to write like this. HCF is equal to 6, because 1 2 3 and 6. ये इतने फैक्टर्स में से सबसे बड़ा कौन सा निकला? ये सारे कॉमन फैक्टर्स है, उसमें से ये सबसे बड़ा कौन आया? 6. इट मीन्स दैट HCF ऑफ 30 and 36 इज 6. अगेन हमको क्या करना है? जो गिवन नंबर है, अगेन करते हैं, जो 30 and 36 है, जो नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं उनके हमको फैक्टर्स फाइंड करने हैं. वी हैव टू फाइंड ऑल द फैक्टर्स ऑफ गिवन नंबर. 1 30s are 30, 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 5 6s are 30. Go to the next number. 1 36s are 36, 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36 and 6 6s are 36. Now we have to find common factors. Common factors मतलब जो आपके वहाँ भी है और मेरे वहाँ भी है, उसको हम common factors बोलेंगे. तो same as which number are in both side? 1 here and here, 2 here and there, 3 here and there, 5 no, 4 no, 6 and 6 are common, right? So common factors are 1 2 3 and 6, and the biggest, I mean highest common factor is 6. Then the answer is 6. HCF is 6 of given numbers 30 and 36. Good. Now go to the next question. Again we are doing exercise, right? 20 and 40, what we have to do? We have to find all the factors of given number. Suppose we are starting with lowest factor. Which is the lowest factor of all numbers? Yes, number 1. 120s are 20. Go to the 2. 2 10s are 20, right? 3 no. 4 yes. 4 5s are 20. 5 के टेबल में आएगा, लेकिन ये अब रिपीटेशन हो रहा है. 4 5s are, it means 5 4s are, right? We have to write only one times. Next 40. 1 40s are 40. 1 40s are 40. 2 22s are 40. 3 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा. Yes, 4 के टेबल में आएगा. 4 10s are 40. 5 के टेबल में भी आएगा. Yes, 8 5s are 40. 6 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा. 7 के टेबल में भी नहीं आएगा, और 8 के टेबल में तो हमने ऑलरेडी लिख लिया. 5 8s are 40, right? So we have to find common factors from these factors. 1 yes, 2 yes, 4 yes, 5 yes, 10 yes and 20, right? So we have to write here common factors 1 2 4 5 10 and 20. Yes, very good, 20. Now we have to find HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Which is the highest number from this? Yes, 20. Then the highest factor of 20 and 40 is yes, right, 20. It means that we have already done highest common factor method. Now jump on the lowest common multiple. What is the meaning of multiple? In the simple words we can say that multiple means a table, right? So let us start with the first question, number 3 and number 4. So we have to write the table of 3 and we have to write the table of 4. We are writing here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, so and so continuously. Now write the table number 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. Yes, we got the answer. Look at here. Lowest common multiple. Lowest means जो सबसे छोटा है और जो सबसे पहले आएगा वो लोएस्ट होगा, राइट? सो 3 नहीं है, इसमें 6 नहीं है, इसमें 9 भी नहीं है, ये 12 इसमें है, ये रहा, राइट? यस, 15 इसमें नहीं है, 18 नहीं है, 21 भी नहीं है, लेकिन 24 तो है, राइट? तो कॉमन फैक्टर्स कितने हुए? कॉमन फैक्टर्स 12 and 24, right? But we have to find LCM, means lowest common multiple. LCM. I'm sorry, here will be multiples, right? Yes. LCM means lowest common multiple. Which is the lowest common multiple? Which is the lowest number, 12 or 24? Yes, 12, right? Then the answer is 12. LCM 12 of number 3 and number 4. Now let us do more practice exercise 20 and 40. We have to write the table of number 20 and number 40. 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80, 25s are 100. अगर हम यहाँ तक कर रहे हैं तो और हम नीचे वाला करके देखेंगे कि यहाँ तक अगर आ जा रहा है. सपोज राइट 41s are 40, 42s are 80. Yes, we got the answer. 40. It means LCM is equal to 40. Right? We can do write like this, right? Okay, these are the method of highest common factor and lowest common. So come to the next point, highest common factor. It means HCF by division method. In this topic we have to write like this. A bigger number inside as dividend and smaller number outside as divisor. Now start the division. 15 ones are 15. 24 minus 15 is equal to 9, right? Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do again division. 9 will be divisor and these 15 will be dividend. Okay, so now 9 ones are 9. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Again repeat this method. 9 will become dividend. 6 ones are 6. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Again do same. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. It means that the last divisor, what is the last divisor? Number 3. The last divisor is called by HCF. It means that HCF of 24 and 15 is number 3. Now come to the lowest common multiple by division method. In this method we have to do like this, 24 and 15. Let us start with the small number, right? 2. 12 2s are 24, but 15 will be same. Again 2 6s are 12, 15 will be same. Again 2 3s are 6 and 15 will be same. Now go to the table number 3. 3 ones are 3 and 5 3s are 15. Now continuously go on. 5 ones are 5. Let us do LCM. It means that 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. The multiplication. We have to do multiplication of these all numbers. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 5s are 120. It means that the LCM of 24 and 15 is 120. So you have to do practice exercise 2.3 and 2.4 from this method, and stay tuned. Jai Shri Swaminarayan, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.